And here we are today on a new adventure, Christerectomy and Sigourney Weaver.
It's the ugliest Sigourney Weaver I've ever seen.
I'd like to see this bitch catch a fish and try to save it. Not today. And here we are again on the top of Mount Vesuvius. Christerectomy. Sigourney Weaver. Trying to catch one of them largemouth bass at the top of the lake, in the middle of nowhere. Here we go again. Hey, that's fine.
Get it. No.
It's just in on the top of Mount Vesuvius, arguing and fighting.
Hello, love. Would you like some fucking tea with your girlfriend?
Christerectomy. Sigourney Weaver! And me.
And me.
Fishing for the infamous North American catfish. He's got a fish on.
I do. I'm about to.
We caught one earlier today. Where'd it go?
Yeah, you're on my line.
Look at the size of him. Prehistoric animal.
Cool. Thanks for bringing in my line, man.
Pulling around to get it.
On the top of Mount Vesuvius, the North American osprey is dialed in on a creature. But he hears me talking about him. He's going to do a loop. Might land in that tree all nimbly bimbly. But then he swoops around, catches a gust of wind, looks at the water down below. He believes he can do it, but not while on camera. The bird sees the fish. You probably cannot see the fish because of the camera's visibility range. But it's okay. Just know that it's happening. God damn, who farted? Because that smells delicioso. God. This just in on the top of Mount Vesuvius. These kids.
These fucking guys right here.
Do a jig. Your turn. Nice. Nice. Nice.
I stole that.
Walking on the infamous trails in the mountains of Mount Vesuvius, looking out for bear, cougar, and other things and creatures known to man. Christerectomy. Sigourney Weaver! On the trail again. Disturbing other fishermen's holes because it's our time to fish, no one else's. Fuck everybody else.
Fuck 'em.
Fuck 'em!
Fuck 'em. Fuck 'em.
What'd you say, Sigourney?
Fuck 'em.
No one cares. Sitting up here on the top of Mount Vesuvius, Christerectomy. Christerectomy. Nice, very nice. Sigourney Weaver just taught himself how to delodge a hook from a fish's mouth. You know, it's crazy. Sigourney Weaver's in the business of saving fish and so on and so forth, but this motherfucker has killed more fish than Vietnam. The beauty of the Northern Pacific, also known as the Pacific Northwest or the ocean. The waters run clearly bluer than nothing. Sigourney Weaver, Christerectomy, and Big Prometheus sitting here trying to catch a dangler. You can see we're fishing. Sigourney Weaver just caught one of them infamous yellow-belly catfish and he's going to bite its head off. How do you feel? How do you feel right now, Sigourney?
Pretty good.
Sigourney, look at me. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Sigourney. How do you feel?
Good.
God, you're lame.
Little tiny thing.
What in the fuck? On top of Mount Vesuvius, hysterectomy, Sigourney Weaver, crossing the perilous bridge of doom.
You gotta give me a minute to see.
Big Prometheus here on top of Mount Vesuvius with hysterectomy and Sigourney Weaver. Balls deep in the scruff, trying to catch one on a new side of the lake. No luck.
Not fucking going very good.
Alex caught a trout using his dingleberries,
It's dingleberries.
and that's about it. We'll be back with more. As we end today's adventure on top of Mount Vesuvius, we realize that today was an alright day. Quite gorgeous outside and serene, the green trees and the grassy fields and the ever-lending plains of the majestic Vesuvian adventures. Mount something, forest of the other, you know what I mean. We'll be back with more on another day and another adventure. Have a good one. Big Prometheus, hysterectomy, and
Sigourney Weaver.
Sigourney fucking Weaver.
Horny Weaver.
And this guy's all fucking sitting here on the road doing this ring on nimbly bimly. As you can tell, we're in quite the catastrophe. Oh my god! Why? Oh shit! Fucking quit it! Quit it! Ah! Ah!